So students, today we are going to study test for similarity of triangles from topic similarity. I have already given you in written all the three steps. First test is angle test. Angle test. Second is angle test. And third SAS test. We have done this. Then next is side test. Then we studied properties of similar triangles. What are the properties of similar triangles? First is reflexivity. Every triangle is similar to itself. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Second, symmetry. If one triangle is similar to second, then the second is similar to first. If triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. And third is transitivity. Transitivity means if triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, triangle DEF similar to triangle XYZ, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Using all these three concepts, we are going to study practice set 1.3. Now in practice set 1.3, your first sum is (75°). This is 75 degree. Now which are these angles? First is triangle ABC and second is triangle DEC. We have to state whether these two triangles are similar and by which test. So solution. Now two triangles are there. In triangle DCE and triangle BCA, angle CDE is congruent to angle CBA. Why it is congruent? Because this is also 75 and this is also 75. So write in bracket, each measures 75 degree. Angle CDE is congruent to angle BCA. Now why they are congruent? Angle DCE, this is angle DCE and angle BCA, or you can say ACB. This is a common angle. So here write in bracket common angle. So both the triangles, triangle DCE is similar to triangle BCA by which test? Here angles are congruent, so it is angle test for similarity. Now second sum is, are the triangles in the following figures similar? If yes, by which test? So the triangles are this is first triangle and this is second triangle. So triangle PQR. PQ is 6, PR is 10 and QR is 8. LMN. LM is 3, LN is 5 and MN is 4. We have to show whether these triangles are similar or not, and if they are similar, by which test. So write down solution. Let us find first ratios of their corresponding sides, because their measurement of sides is given. So PQ upon LM is 6 upon 3. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. It is 2 upon 1, that is 2. This is equation 1. Second ratio, QR upon MN. QR is 8, MN is 4. Again you will get 2 upon 1. So this is equation 2. Next side is PR upon LN. Its ratio is PR is 10, LN is 5. So it becomes 2 upon 1. This is equation 3. So in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, ratio PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. These ratios we are getting from equation 1, 2 and 3. So if we see here, corresponding sides are ratios are equal. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by which test? Side SSS test for of similarity. Now let us see third sum. Third sum is two triangles are given to you. One triangle is PRQ. Triangle PRQ. Second is triangle ACB. So PRQ and ACB. Two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter. So here this is pole of height 8 meter, this is pole of height 4 meter, are perpendicular to ground. These are perpendicular, means this is 90 degree. If the length of the shadow of a smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, so length of shadow of this pole, it is 6 meter. We have to find out length of this longer pole. So this is smaller pole, this is longer pole, it is shadow of small pole. We have to find shadow of longer pole, how long it will be. So let us take this value as x. Sum number 3. So write down solution. PR and AC are two poles. QR and BC are their shadows. Therefore, the shadow are cast at same time. Cast जिथे दोन्ही सावल्या एकच वेळेस पडतात. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल एकमेकाला कसे सिमिलर आहेत. आता ते सिमिलर असल्यामुळं त्यांचे जे करस्पॉन्डिंग साईड्स आहेत त्यांचा जो रेशिओ आहे तो प्रपोर्शनमध्ये असणार आहे. सो लेट अस राईट PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Which property is here? Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So PR is 4, AC is 8, QR 6, BC is X. We have to find out X. Let us do cross multiplication. 4 into X is equal to 8 into 6. Therefore, X is equal to 8 into 6 upon 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So, X is 12 meters. X means it is BC is 12 meter. And what is this X? Answer: the length of the shadow of the longer or the bigger pole is 12 meter. Now let us see sum number 4. What is given in sum number 4? Here also 2 triangles are given to you. From vertex it is altitude, here height. From this vertex, this is the height. So this is triangle APC and triangle APB. This will be AQC and BQA. Now let us see what is given here. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. We have to prove triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. Now measurements are given. AP is 7, BQ is 8, BC is 12. We have to find AC. First we have to prove that they are similar and then you have to find out the measurements. So first we are going to prove the similarity of both the triangles. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, this is CPA, P is 90 degree, in CQB, Q is 90 degree. So write down angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB, each is 90 degree. Then angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ because it is a common angle. See here, ACP and BCQ, C is common. So triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by angle test of similarity. Now once we have proved that they are similar, this is our first answer. We have to find out AC. How will you find out AC? Now as they are similar, their ratio of the corresponding sides we have to write here. AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. In bracket write down corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So write down the values. 7 upon 8. AP is 7, BQ is 8. is equal to AC. We have to find out AC upon 12. Let us do cross multiplication. 7 into 12 is equal to 8 into AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. Let's reduce it. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So it will come AC is equal to 21 upon 2. So it is 10.5. If you divide 21 by 2, what will you get? 2 1s are 2 0, 1 2 zeros are 0, 1 give decimal point and take the 0. Here also 2 5s are 10. So this is 10.5. Answer AC is equal to 10.5. Next we will do sum number 6. Fifth sum I will take afterwards separately. It is little bit big sum. So fifth sum number 6. Now trapezium is given to you. In trapezium, A, B, C and D. So in trapezium A, B, C, D, AB is parallel to side DC. See here, side AB parallel to side DC. Then diagonals AC and BD intersect in point O. Now AB is 20, DC is 6, OB is 15. We have to find OD. So AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15. Find OD. Let us write the solution. Already two lines are given to you, they are parallel. Side AB parallel side DC, line DB is transversal. Now on this transversal, which angles we are getting? Angle CDB is congruent to angle ABD. Let us see where they are. These two lines are parallel. This is the transversal. So CDB and ABD. Which kind of angles are they? Alternate angles. They are alternate angles. Now here CDB, it is equal to CDO. Angle CDO is congruent to angle ABO. And BOD are in straight line. This is equation 1. See, you must have understood. CDB, instead of CDB we have taken CDO because here it is point of intersection, and ABD, instead of it we have taken ABO. So let us take now two triangles. In triangle COD and triangle AOB, angle CDO is congruent to angle ABO. This we are getting from equation 1. Then angle COD will be congruent to angle AOB. Which kind of angle it is? COD and AOB. If you see, they are vertically opposite. In bracket write down vertically opposite angles. So triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB by which test? Angle test of similarity. Means first what we have done, to find out value of OD, we have first shown how the triangles are similar, and now as the triangles are similar, we will take the ratio of the corresponding sides. So OD upon OB is equal to DC upon AB. Which are those sides? OD upon OB is equal to DC upon AB. So right here, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So OD, we have to find OD upon OB is 15, DC is 6, AB is 20. Again cross multiplication. OD into 20 is equal to 6 into 15. Therefore, OD is equal to 6 into 15 divided by 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. You got OD is equal to 9 upon 2. When you divide it, you will get OD is equal to 4.5. 9 divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, 110. Now take decimal point, 0 adding here, 2 5s are 10. So this is, you get 4.5. Write down answer. OD is equal to 4.5. Don't forget to write the answer at last. You have to write the answers in the box. So in this way, we have done sum number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now 2 sums are remaining. Sum number 5 and sum number 7 and sum number 9. 3 sums are remaining that we will do in next period. Thank you. You write all these sums in your notebook. And test of similarities, that similar triangles properties or 3 angle test, all the tests you have done in last year's class 9 standard. So revise it. Write all sums in notebook. Thank you.